Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of one of the most innovative smartphones from 2019, the Moto Razr 2019. It's first foldable smartphone from Moto, and this is basically the Razr series, which is again coming back to production. So Moto Razr has been one of the really popular smartphone series back then, and now Moto is bringing the Razr, but this time around we have a really great innovation in terms of the foldable display. So we have the Moto Razr with us. So this is a unique box package. So Moto Razr is coming to India. The 2019 foldable variant is coming to India, and this is kind of a really engineering marvel in terms of the foldable design. So we're going to talk about all those things in our unboxing video. So this is the box package. It's a pretty unique box package. So this device comes with a great hardware and great design as well. So we'll talk about all those things in this video. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Moto Razr 2019. So now we have the box package for the Moto Razr. So we're going to do the unboxing route. So you can see that it has a really special box package. The Razr mentioned here, and Moto logo at the top. Again, you can see everything mentioned at the bottom. So this is the special box package. So we'll just open it. So you can see this is the Moto Razr 2019 with foldable display. So we'll just take this out. So again, as I said before, the phone is placed in a really special manner, and this is the Moto Razr. So we'll talk about the device in a while. So first let's see what all comes inside the box package. So taking this out, so let's see, you can see this is a special casing included which mentions Razr. So we'll just open this. So inside you get this manual. So this is the Moto Razr manual. So everything about the device is mentioned here. So there you go. So that's the quick start manual. Then you get an 18-watt fast charger. So this is the standard 18-watt charger included with the box package. Then you get the earphones. Again, you can see it's a really good quality earphone, and Razr branded earphones. These are the ones which you get by default. It's a Type-C earphone because the device comes with Type-C cable. Then you get the charging and data syncing cable. You can see the customization done to all these things, the cables for the earphones and the charger. So that's something which is pretty unique. Then you get two additional ear tips. In fact, it's not two, it's just one additional ear tip which you get. And in fact, there are two additional ear tips which you get with this box package. So you also get the USB Type-C to 3.5 mm adapter. So in case you want to use the adapter with your own earphones, you can use that. So this is the adapter which is included in the box package. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So now we have the Moto Razr 2019 with us. So you can see this is the protector available. So it says do not apply a screen protector as it will damage the display. So that's the basic thing you need to go with this device. So let's remove this. So this is the foldable Moto Razr 2019. So first, before showing off the foldable aspect, so let's have a look at walkthrough of the device aspect. So the back of the device, we have this 2.7-inch glass OLED capacitive touchscreen, which has a screen resolution of 600 by 800 pixels. It's a 4:3 aspect ratios, and you can also see the back panel design looks really great. It's a kind of matte finish design. There's a pattern also on the back panel. We have the Razr branding, the Moto logo as well, and we have the primary 16 megapixel camera on the top with the dual LED flash. It's a 2.7-inch display, and the bottom section has the USB Type-C port, the charging port. Then you also get a fingerprint scanner below that. So this is the fingerprint scanner, and this is the portion where the folding mechanism happens. And the top panel has the notch which has the earpiece and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. Now one thing about the device is that it has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 octa-core processor which has 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, and this comes with Android 9 Pie out of the box, and this has this will be upgradable to Android 10 once that is released. Now the primary screen, that's the main foldable screen. It's a 6.2 inches POLED display which is HD plus resolution 2142 by 876 pixels, and it's a 21:9 cinematic experience on this device. Now let's boot the device. So we'll talk about the device while we mention it. So booting the device, you can see that the Moto logo and powered by Android logo. So this is stock Android UI. It's not under the Android 1 program, but it's still stock Android since Moto devices, all of them come with stock UI. Now talking about the display. Now let's just fold the display and show you. So there you go. So we'll come back to the foldable display in a while. First, let's have a look at the outside display. So this is the outside display. It's a 2.7 inches OLED panel, and you can actually see the notifications here. And you also have the 16 megapixel f1.7 primary camera with dual LED flash. So this is the primary camera, and we also have a secondary camera here. That's the 5 megapixel selfie camera. Now next, let's talk about the hinge. You can see that this is how the hinge works. So there you go. That's how the hinge works. So it's an effortless mechanism, and over a period of time you can actually use it with one hand. Initially you might not be able to use it with one hand, but over a period of time, once you start using the device, you can actually use it with one hand. So this was the unboxing video of the Moto Razr. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.